Assalamu alaikum friends, I hope you're quite well, and here is photo effect for PSD. Total size is 2.43 GB, but don't worry, I will compressed, and these are protected password in this app. Download for lifetime. Here is my Facebook page, and last is my Telegram channel. Join this for notification. Okay, I know you can do easily in Photoshop. Just import your photo and press Ctrl S for saving. For example, open this one. In Photoshop we need a PNG file. Like this one. Drag here in image area, replace image area, Ctrl S for saving. Try any JPG file. Enter. Wow, it is text adjustment, photo effect, sorry, color. No need background because a photo of JPG file, no PNG, so you can't change background. Now same thing here. Enter, Ctrl S. You see, you can do one by one. I hope these are useful for you. Subscribe me and download this app or password. Take care. Allah Hafiz.